Unit 6, Lesson 3, Video 1. Just a brief overview of our topics at hand here, independent and dependent events. Now here we are talking about labeling a probability question as being independent or independent. So the probability question will involve two or more events. And you have to decide if the events they're talking about are independent of each other. And the phrasing that goes with these kinds of questions are the word and. They're in both scenarios of independent and dependent events, but and means we're going to multiply probabilities, and you have to find out the probability of each first. And in doing so, you have to know if the events are independent or not. If they're independent of each other, you have two fractions that are not affected by one another, two probabilities. If they are dependent of another, you need to know what the first probability was, what you got, in order for you to decide what the second probability will be. They're more interrelated. So again, we're talking about two events, and it's a probability question, and you have to decide if they're independent or dependent events for you to calculate the probabilities before you multiply. And that's a brief overview, and a very important part of probability questions because it helps you calculate more accurately. And this ends Unit 6, Lesson 3, Video 1.